So hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I solve the accountancy leet code problem. So I think mas easier if tignan na lang natin from this scenario. So basta basically it requires an integer of n, and then it would return the parang ganito. So first I'll start creating a notepad. So 1 is our base case in this case, since 1 siya, so it should return 1. For 2, it would return the RLE, run lang controlling, bullshit yan. It would return the number of the digit from the previous iteration, which is dito. So basically it has 1 1. Oops. 1 1. If Rn is equals to 3, same as before, it would return the number of digits from its previous iteration. So there's 2, 1 in here. For number 4, we can see that there's 1, 2 in here, and then 1, 1. So for 5, same lang dito. For 5, there's 1, 1, 1, 2, and then there's 2, 1. 6, last na to. There's 3, 1 in here, and then 2 2 in here, and then 1 1 in here. So if ang n natin is 4, it should require what the previous uh, iteration is. Therefore it's a recursive formula, uh, equation. So dito again, if our n is 1, which is our base case, then it would return the string of 1. However, if di siya 1, so from here, it should return what the sequence of the previous iteration is. So helper, it would return helper of the previous iteration. Yeah, previous iteration. In this case, example, helper natin is 3, which is it would return the previous iteration. So it would return here, and then di mo alam ano to, so it would return 1. So parang siyang check niya kung ilan to, which is 1 1. So pag ma-return niya to, i-check ni 3 kung anong meron dito, which is 2 1. And then since may helper function tayo, so I'll create a helper function here, which is string tong s basically, since ang it requires the string of the digit. For my solution, ang first kong ginawa is always set it to the first digit, which is here. So pointer is equals to the first digit, and then ang gawa rin tayo ng counter dito, so counter is equals to 0, and then a and then we'll iterate each number. So 4 digit in string, ganito. I think mas better if i-explain ko. I'll start with sa 4 this in this scenario. So if our digit is equal to pointer, so let's say 5. If our digit natin, which is 1, equal to the current pointer, which is also 1, it would increase the counter by 1. So increase niya by 1. Otherwise, so pag dito, since our current digit is 2 and our pointer is still set to 1, uh, our new pointer is equal to the current digit. Also, since bagong digit na siya, yung counter na natin is set to 1. And then before mo i-create yung yung bagong digit, we'll need an output. And then since helper to, it should also return an output. So ang output here is equals to the strength of the string of the counter plus the pointer ba? Pointer digit, either No, no, no. Yeah, pointer siya. Since it should not be digit. So, I think this is our also my ano din, my final case here. Since pag ganito ang scenario, it would only it would only since never siya nagbago, so walang output mag-return dito. Which is why after the for loop, create ako ng same stuff lang dito. Uh, Alternatively, pwede mo din itong gawin range para no need na to. Pero I think mas it's easier to see when it's like this. So if our n is equals to 1, which is our base case, it should return 1 here. However, if it's 2, it should return the number of the previous case, which is 1, 1. Pag 3 naman siya, it should return there's 2, 1 in here. And then, yada yada, 4 is, oops, my bad guys. Ay, I forgot to append. And, append mo lang pala. Sa akin is sinat ko na agad. Plus equals to, what the ay, dito din. Append mo lang. Yeah. Same stuff lang siya. Yung kasi dito, since may separate to sila, yung na-return niya lang is ito. Yung 1 1 lang to dito. So that's it for the current leetcode problem. Pag 5 1 1 1 1, yeah. Same stuff lang dito. So that's my solution.